Hello and welcome to OmicsLogic. In this video, we will guide you on how you can navigate the various collection of training programs we are offering, choose the program of your choice, and proceed with payment checkout and enrollment. The first step is to visit OmicsLogic.com website and make sure that you're logged in using your existing login credentials. If you have not signed up, click on the login option on the top and click on Create an Account. Or you can also sign up using your existing social media handles. So here I'm going to sign up using my existing Google account. Once you sign in, click on the option Training Program. This is the interface for the various training programs we are offering. You can also review the program catalog by scrolling down below and navigating to the next section of this page. Once you select the program of your choice, head over to the program page. Here, you will see that there are 3 levels for each program. The program levels are divided into 3 parts: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each level covers increasingly complex and advanced topics. Now, if you scroll down below, you will see the pricing and associated resources for the 3 levels. You can change the currency displayed based on your location. Now, coming to purchasing the program and payment checkout, under each program level, you will see the Buy Now option. Click on the Buy Now button of the program level of your choice. Now, you will be redirected to the payment checkout page. Make sure to review your order details here. We also offer financial assistance, scholarships, and discounts to students. If you are a student, you can request for a fee waiver, and if approved, you will receive a discount code. Enter the code here and click on Apply. The discount will be automatically applied. Next, enter the relevant user details. Check the box given here to receive the confirmation email for your program enrollment. Here you can also select the payment mode of your choice. It could be PayPal or Razorpay. Now, if you prefer any other payment mode, such as bank transfer or Stripe, we have shared the relevant payment links in the email associated with this video. However, if you require any further information or assistance, you can drop us an email at communications@omicslogic.com. Once you have enrolled in the program, you'll be getting access to the resources. To view the same, head over to the blue bar on the top and hover your cursor over the profile icon and click on Dashboard, which will redirect you to your profile settings. Here, click on the Programs tab and it will display the program. Click on it and it will redirect you to your program page with all the relevant resources for the training. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.